Hey guys, what's going on? Brendan from WhisperNode here. We are live on the Secret Ethereum Bridge mining rewards. So in a previous tutorial, I showed you guys how to use the bridge and how to create secret versions of your tokens. So this tutorial, we're going to run through that real quick and use DAI. I think I got a little bit of DAI left in my wallet. So when you come to the bridge, it's going to look like this screen here. You're going to want to connect your MetaMask wallet. So you're going to go through those steps there. Click connect. Same thing with Kepler wallet. Looks like I'm connected there now. And the first thing you're going to do is create a secret version of your token. So if you're using Ethereum, you're going to want to click this button here. If you're using an ERC20, you're going to click this. If you're using an ERC20, you're going to click this button down here, switch it over, select your token. I'm going to do DAI. And there you go. You can see it pulled in. I have 69 DAI in my MetaMask wallet here. So I'm going to convert all of that to secret DAI. I'm going to click use my address here, which is going to automatically pull in my Kepler address. Click continue. It's going to tell me I'm going to have to confirm 2 transactions, and it looks like the Ethereum gas will be about $8. Click confirm. And this transaction is going to pop up my MetaMask. Looks like that gas actually went down to $4, so that's good. And that is the first transaction. I believe it's going to pop up and ask me for another transaction because I have not created secret DAI yet in this wallet. So let's wait for that first one to go through there. I still see the balance of DAI in my MetaMask wallet. Just check on that by going into my MetaMask. Looks like it's still there. And you can see this contract interaction here is pending. So it shouldn't take too long. I'm going to go ahead and speed that up just because I'm doing a tutorial here. All right, as you guys can see, it looks like that first transaction went through and my DAI is now not in my MetaMask wallet anymore. So let me just check MetaMask real quick here. Yep, no pending transactions here. It looks like that one went through. I think sometimes this little progress bar over here will keep spinning even though the transaction's done. Kind of a little bug in the bridge that can be fixed later on. So I should have secret DAI now, but as you can see, I have not yet created the viewing key for that. Viewing keys on Secret Network, again, we're working with secret contracts where the balances and transactions that are occurring with secret tokens are completely hidden and private. The only way you can see your own balance is by creating a viewing key, which is private to your wallet. So you're the only one that can see your balances and transactions. So I'm going to click that unlock button. It's going to automatically fill in the secret DAI contract address here. I'm going to click create. I'm going to set that fee to average or high. I need a little bit of secret in my wallet, guys. One thing they did on the bridge, which is really neat, is when you create that secret version of your ERC20, you should get a little bit of secret in your Kepler wallet that you attach, and that's so people can create these viewing keys. If you do not have enough secret in your wallet, in your Kepler wallet, you can see I have 1.8395 here. If you do not have enough to create this viewing key, just go in the Discord, go in the bridge support channel or the secret pizza channel, and put in your Kepler address, and someone from the community will help you out. So set the fee there. Approve that transaction. I think, sorry, bear with me 1 minute. I need to unlock my ledger. Actually, no, I'm not hooked up to my ledger. Sorry. I'm going to approve that. Once that comes in, I am going to hit submit. And you can see the secret went out. The secret die unlock button popped off, and now I can see that I have that 69 die in my Kepler address. Great. So to recap, that was how I went from an ERC20 to create a secret version of that ERC20. Now, how do I bridge mine, and how do I get rewards for my secret tokens? To do that, I go up here on the bridge, and I click this earn button, and you can see there's some errors going on right now with the viewing keys due to the high volume of traffic on the bridge right now. Everyone is depositing these ERC20s. So that viewing key, it looks like something broke there, but I should still be okay. We saw the secret die in there. So it's in my wallet up, and there it pops back up again. So there's some things going on right now just because of the volume. But anyway, moving on. To earn, I click this earn button up here. And that's going to show me all of the assets here that are eligible for rewards for this first week period. To be eligible in this first snapshot, there had to be $50,000 in TVL of the asset last night during the snapshot. Last night was January 11th. So you can see any of these projects here are eligible for the rewards. I am going to look at DAI here. It's giving an error here. That should say 69 SDI. Oh, there it goes. All right, so good thing is it looks like those viewing key errors are taking care of themselves. There's just some lag. I don't know what's going on with my roommate's computer here. My computer's in the shop. I'm using a junky old Mac here. All right, so DAI coin, 69 DAI. So I'm going to click that button. I'm going to stake all 69 of it into the bridge mining contract. And so I click 100% to put it all in there, 69 secret DAI. Available to deposit. It did say 69 a second ago. It will say that. And then I'm going to click earn. As soon as I click that earn button here, this value of available SDAI should drop down to 0. Oh, sorry. All right, here we go. It is asking me to confirm the earn transaction here. So I'm going to click set fee. I'm going to approve that transaction. And All right. And sorry, I just had to be patient there for a second. Um, when that transaction goes through, you'll see your balance available up here drop down to 0, and nothing will really happen in this earn section here. It's still going to have your input that you had there, and it's not going to show anything under unlock here either. Don't be alarmed that this available number drops to 0. That just means you were successful in depositing into the bridge mining contract. Next thing you're going to want to do is go down here, and you're going to want to click this little lock to unlock to create the viewing key for the secret rewards that are going to be accruing in your account. So I'm going to click that little lock there. This is going to pop up with this token address here, and this is the ETH bridge rewards. So this is the secret that's being paid out in rewards, and it's going to allow me to view my balance of that. Again, I'm creating a secret viewing key for that because secret network transactions are private. Sorry, I need to click create here before clicking submit. So I click create, set that fee, approve that transaction. All right, and now I'm going to click submit. And then I'm going to wait a couple seconds for that transaction to go through, and bam, you can see now I'm able to view my secret rewards that are accruing. If you wait, I think these accrue every block, so it's about every 6 seconds. You'll see this number go up, and there we go. You can see they're accruing every block. If you're really bored, you can just sit there and watch that number go up all day. But that's pretty much it, guys. I guess it's not really time to claim those rewards, but if you did want to, you would just click this claim button here, and you would go through the claim process, and then you would do another transaction here, set the fee, approve that transaction, and bam, you can see that the secret accruing for rewards drop down to 0. That means I just claim them, and I believe they should go to my wallet balance here. I actually wasn't a very good example. They will go to your wallet balance there, but due to how low those rewards were and how they didn't even outweigh the fee, the balance actually went down. So bad example there, but I can assure you that those secret did go to my wallet. So once you're done with the bridge mining, you can also then withdraw your secret ERC20 token from the bridge mining contract. So you would just come here, whatever amount of the secret token you want to take back out and move to your Kepler wallet, to your available funds, you would just withdraw those here. So if I wanted to take the whole thing out and stop accruing rewards, I'd click reward or withdraw. And I will set that fee, approve that transaction, wait a couple seconds. I think I clicked the button twice there. And you can see Now that those 69 secret die are now back in my available balance up here, which means they're not staked in the secret bridge mining contract anymore. This part down here doesn't really change, but you want to look at this available number here, and you can also see if I go to my Kepler wallet, those secret die should be in the wallet in the balances. And there they are. So they are back in my wallet and available here. You can see the 69 secret die. So that was pretty much a rundown of everything you can do with this bridge.